Hey everyone, and welcome to this Collectible Rewind video. It's a video series that's showcasing statues and figures that are rare, that are no longer produced. You can probably pick them up on eBay or other sources. They're usually pretty much inflated in price since they're pretty rare and they're collectible. As you can see here, this is by Dragon Toy. It's a PVC statue, about 10 inches tall, released in June of 2016, and it's called Brave Marudia, War with Slime. And you can see there's a slime, a pool of water, or maybe it's just a puddle of slime. It's this beautiful, buxom woman that's with a sword. And there's like three versions of this statue, as far as my knowledge. This is the brown-haired one. There's a black-haired version and a blonde-haired version. That got a different color combination. This is a Japanese release figure. They're very high quality. The detail and the paint job is well done. Such a beautiful piece of very attractive statues. These type of figures, these sexy figures like this, they'll be cast-off figures. Not all of them are that way, but what a cast-off figure is, for those who may not know what a cast-off figure is, clothing is removable. Pretty much adult in nature. You'll see as you get near the end of the video. Sit back and enjoy.